Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to delete all Instagram likes at once. We start by opening Instagram and entering the Settings and Activity menu. After that, we enter the Your Activity option and then the Like option. Here we will see the content that we have liked. To choose several elements at the same time, we will click on Select. After that, we click on those elements that we want to select. Then, click on I don't like it and confirm the action. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Finally, we can see that we have removed several likes at the same time. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.